Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka niga app naka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit bha Pyntreikam daka Oswell Suk hilaban yo na barok kidukan
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka baret but hila ban lagu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban shukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu license, arn riwe khandai pra.
Menteri Ketanat Pule Putih ke Sorkar Jylla rakam sangma hak spotrik naitung arja apulai. Ulai itu bak Sorkar kalalaan penrung no dagi kot Pule jong ke Ncert haki Skul ki badan hak ni ke Jylla khanang bakanya rap ki khana Skul ban khamtip nya saphang ki sanjing tip haki kot Pule. Hak jengkran bigalat pathai khubur usangma ulai itu badang shan mu lambu advisor jong Ketanat Pule Putih ke Sorkar Jylla ban kontob ru ki officer nak Directorate of Education Research and Training. Haka bagilay kundu yung chairperson jong CBSE hadalhi banyak theory tay halor kini gamat.
Advisor to Education Department, we and our officers of the DRT, we met at the chairperson of the CBSE in Delhi, and along with his officers, and like suppose if stage is going to use the NCERT textbook in customization of our state level, then in the CBSE pattern marking and the evaluation and the teaching skill, the CBSE officers will assist us, and they are promised they will be giving us some training with the best faculties of the country for our state, and we will be sending some teachers of our state to Delhi for the training with the CBSE officers, and they will also be coming to the state to give training to assist our DRT, our department, and to assist our teachers in training. This PGI rating is just the figure has been taken out from UDI's data only. I think that they have not, if I'm not wrong, they have not gone down to the schools data, they have not gone down to the institutions. But however, there is always good things to be taken away. So here, look, in last 3 years, we have seen tremendous improvement in the PGI ranking of our state. If I'm not wrong, in 2017, we are at the level 8. We are at the level 8. We are at the bottom. But now in 2021, we are at level 6. We are at the level 6. Look, this year in the PGI ranking, the Kerala has the top, right? If I read the data correctly, Kerala has the top. But what good things for our state is, look, all those big cities, state, they are already well ahead of us in last many years. We cannot run in overnight and be par with them. No. But now look, if you see the figure of last 4 years, the improvement in our state, the rating is very positive, very improvement. Look now, if we look at the figure of the PGI ranking, Kerala is at the top now. So in 2017, 18 and 18-19, the improvement figure, because as per the data, the Kerala was 826 points, and in 2019 they were 862. The improvement points was just 36. If you see the figure of the same year of our state, Meghalaya was 584, and 2019 is 610. So the improvement points is 26. The improvement. And 1920, if we compare the figure, 862 was in 2018 for Kerala, 19, and 2020 it was 901. That means 39 points they have improved. For Meghalaya also, in this year, 610 in 19, 649 is in 20. The improvement figure points of our state is also 39. We are improving at par with the equal measure with a state like Kerala now. And if you look at the figure 2020 and 21. In 2020, Kerala at 901 starting and finished at 928. That means they have improved another points 27. In Meghalaya, in 2020, we are 649 and in 21, we are 716. The improved figure of our state is far better than the Kerala. We are 69 points has been improved for the state of Meghalaya. Look, the points that we are moving well, we are doing well. As a state, we have improved a lot in the last 2-3 years.